Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kindly introduce yourself.
My name is Lani Salonga, 20 years of age. I'm residing in Dolores San Fernando, Pampanga. I have 4 sisters. I'm the youngest child in my family.
Do you have any experiences in working abroad before?
No, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
How many family members do they have?
3, ma'am. One sir, 1 mom, and 1 child, ma'am.
For how many years?
2 years, ma'am.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your responsibilities and duties in your previous employer? Cite it one by one.
My duties and responsibilities with my previous employer are cleaning the house, washing the dishes, cooking, marketing, and babysitting, ma'am.
What are your special skills?
Housekeeping, cooking, babysitting, ma'am.
Are you willing to use it to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer has a baby and required you to look after him, how will you manage your housework?
First, I will secure the baby in a safe place, then I will do my work one by one, ma'am.
Can you sing any simple nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly give me a sample.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family and to give better future to my children, ma'am.
How do you control your homesick?
I will make myself busy and pray, ma'am.
Who is your inspiration?
My family and my children, ma'am.
Are you willing to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the employer told you to have an extension? What will you do?
I will extend my 2 years contract, ma'am.
Kindly give message to your future employer.
Sir, ma'am, I promise to follow your rules and regulation inside your house, and I'm willing to learn to serve you. Sir, ma'am.